Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to get started on Upwork. Now I've registered as a freelancer on Upwork. I've logged in. The next thing I want to do is I want to get started. So I click on get started. It will take me about 5 to 10 minutes. A few questions first. Have you freelanced before? Let's say I haven't. I'll type I'm brand new to this. Select it, and then you click on next. Now, got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get experience for a full-time job. I don't have a goal in mind. So let's say I want to make money on the side. So go to next. And how would you like to work? I'd like to find opportunity myself. I'd like to package up my work for my clients. Now, if you want to find opportunity yourself, you tap on this. So let's say I'd like to package up my work. Are you open to contract to hire opportunities? Yes, I am. So I mark it. And next is to create a portfolio. How would you like to tell us about yourself? You can import, you can upload your resume, or you can fill out manually. So those are the ways to create a portfolio. So for this, check out our next video on how to create a portfolio on Upwork. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more.